Before I submitted to chiropractic therapy, I was already experiencing severe pain because I was diagnosed with neuralgia. But it was only last year when I experienced this very, very severe pain. And so last July 30, I was assessed that I have misalignment in the smallest bone that's called atlas. So because of that, therapy was scheduled. I was expecting that the hands of the doctor will be twisting my neck, and I was expecting that I will experience pain, but I did not even experience his hand on my back or on my neck. On the onset of the stabilization phase, I really noticed the great improvement. I can say that I am healed. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Dr. Miguel Flores, because this therapy made a great improvement on my life. I highly recommend this, the upper cervical chiropractic, to all those people still suffering from neuralgia.